During an official visit to Paris, Croatian Minister of Defense Ivan Anušić met with French Minister of Armed Forces Sebastian Lecornu to discuss ongoing and future defense collaborations between the two nations. This meeting primarily focused on Croatia's defense modernization efforts, with a particular emphasis on the procurement of French military equipment. The discussions addressed Croatia's plans to acquire 30 Caesar 155mm self-propelled howitzers, the delivery of Mistral 3 short-range air defense systems, and the upgrades to its Rafale fighter jets. This collaboration builds on the growing defense partnership between Croatia and France, which has been evolving since 2021. The two nations have developed frameworks for defense cooperation, in line with the European Union's Rearm Europe initiative, which aims to enhance collective defense capabilities and streamline joint procurements across Europe. The Caesar self-propelled howitzer, designed by France's KNDS, is at the heart of Croatia's artillery modernization. Known for its mobility and precision, the Caesar system has been operational in various international conflicts, including Afghanistan and Iraq, and is already used by several countries, including Denmark, Estonia, and Ukraine. Croatia is set to acquire 30 units by 2025, with the potential for further purchases. The system is highly regarded for its capability to deliver fire support at distances of up to 50 kilometers using rocket-assisted shells, making it an ideal asset for Croatia's defense needs. The Caesar is designed for rapid deployment, with a 6x6 chassis that allows for swift repositioning after firing, making it effective in combat situations. Croatia's defense strategy includes creating a modern, mobile artillery force, and the Caesar fits well within these goals, with future procurement plans targeting a total of 54 to 60 units, intended to equip multiple artillery battalions. In addition to artillery systems, Croatia is advancing its air defense capabilities through the acquisition of Mistral 3 short-range air defense systems from France. These systems are expected to be delivered by 2025 and will enhance Croatia's protection against aerial threats. The country is also considering long-range air defense systems such as the French Aster SAMP/TNG and the US Patriot, although no final decision has been made on this front. During their meeting, Minister Anušić reaffirmed Croatia's commitment to bolstering its defense infrastructure, stating that the country's procurement process would balance urgency with long-term strategic needs. He also highlighted potential financing avenues, including long-term loans and EU co-financing options. Croatia is undergoing a significant modernization of its armed forces, with several key acquisitions from both the US and European partners. The country recently approved the purchase of M142 HIMARS systems from the United States, marking it as the fourth EU country to do so. Additionally, Croatia is acquiring 50 Leopard 2A8 main battle tanks from Germany and has signed a €67 million contract for the acquisition of 6 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles. This modernization drive also includes the development of unmanned ground systems in partnership with Rheinmetall, as well as a plan to phase out its Soviet-era artillery and air defense systems by 2030. With its ongoing acquisitions and strategic partnerships, Croatia aims to align its defense capabilities with NATO standards, reinforcing its role in European and global security. As part of its comprehensive defense overhaul, Croatia is restructuring its artillery forces. While the Croatian army currently operates a mix of German-made Panzerhaubitze 2000 howitzers and older Soviet-era models, the acquisition of the Caesar self-propelled howitzers will significantly enhance its artillery capabilities. The country's goal is to establish 3 self-propelled artillery battalions by the early 2030s, with at least one of them equipped with tracked artillery systems to complement the wheeled Caesar units. The procurement of modern artillery systems is part of a broader effort to replace older Soviet equipment and ensure Croatia's military readiness in an evolving security landscape. By integrating the Caesar howitzers into its forces, Croatia aims to strengthen its defensive posture while contributing to broader European defense cooperation. The ongoing defense partnership between Croatia and France highlights the importance of strategic collaborations in strengthening Europe's defense capabilities. Croatia's acquisition of advanced artillery systems, air defense solutions, and fighter jet upgrades reflects the country's commitment to modernizing its military and aligning with NATO standards. With continued investment in advanced military technology and infrastructure, Croatia is positioning itself as a strong and resilient partner within the European security framework.